Hi. I need help planning my vacation.
Sure, where would you like to go?
I haven't decided where to go yet.
Do you enjoy warm or cold climates?
I am thinking that I might enjoy a tropical climate.
I have some brochures here that you might like to look at.
These look great.
Do you know how much you want to spend on this vacation?
I have about $1,000 to spend on this trip.
Well, take these brochures and get back to me when you want to make your reservations.